Hello students, how are you today? In this video I'm going to show you how to talk about past habits. Look at this dialogue. This is a conversation between two friends, Paul and Tim, who are talking about their childhood. Have you always lived in Paraná? No, I'm from Viale. I moved to Paraná when I started high school. Oh, I didn't know that. What did your life used to be like in Viale? My childhood was great. I used to have a lot of friends and we used to get together every day after school. And what did you used to do together? We used to take about an hour to do our homework. Otherwise, our moms wouldn't let us go outside. Then we used to ride our bikes and play games till late in the afternoon. Did you used to play any sports? No, we didn't. Well, sometimes we played basketball, but I didn't really like it. So, how do we know that these friends are talking about the past? First of all, it begins here. I moved to Paraná when I started high school. So, before that, I lived, and I am from Viale, Tim says. So, from this point onwards, they are going to talk about the past, their childhood. Look at these sentences. I used to have a lot of friends. We used to get together every day after school. We used to take about an hour to do our homework. These are actions that were repeated every day after school in the past. So, we are talking about Tim's past habits. To talk about past habits, we are going to use used to. I used to have a lot of friends. We used to ride our bikes. We didn't used to get together on weekends. So, to talk about past habits, we're going to introduce the person plus used to plus the verb in the base form, that is, as it is in the dictionary, plus the complement if there is any. If the sentence is in the negative form, you're going to say the person plus didn't used to plus the verb in the base form. To ask about past habits, you can say, what did you used to do when you were a child? I used to go cycling with my friends. Did you used to play any sports? No, we didn't. Or, yes, we did. We played football or basketball. Please remember the intonation of WH questions. What did you used to do when you were a child? And the intonation of yes-no questions. Did you used to play any sports? Falling, rising. WH word plus, if it is a WH question, plus did, plus the person, used to, and the verb in the base form, plus the complement. Here, the verb in the base form and the complement. This is the end of this presentation. I hope you have a very nice day.